It's been many months since I've spoken with you on video about COVID. I want to begin by thanking each of you sincerely for all you're doing to care for our patients. I know many who delayed care are coming to us sicker. I also know that in some areas we are stretched in staffing. Despite these challenges, I hope that you have been able to take some time over the summer to refresh and recharge. For those who work on our COVID units, or even anyone watching the news, you know that we are now in a new wave of COVID. The highly transmissible Delta variant continues to spread rapidly across the U.S. The CDC modeling showed last week that the variant accounted for 82% of all new infections. The Delta variant is even spreading among vaccinated people, although fortunately causing far less severe symptoms. Experts are saying that Delta is one of the most infectious respiratory viruses in decades. Our own modeling shows a continued rise in COVID patients within our system. Just 1 month ago, we had 50 COVID patients in our hospitals. That number now is over 200. This brings us to another pivotal moment in the pandemic, one that will cause us once again to pull together as a healthcare system team to care for our communities and each other. I know many of you who work so hard, harder than ever before, caring for very sick COVID patients, are shaking your heads that we find ourselves back in this place, a place none of us ever wanted to see again. This time, with the new wave, we have experience on our side. We know how to care for the most ill patients. We also know how to protect each other. We have the experience of knowing that by wearing masks and distancing, we can protect each other and our patients. Our supply team is ensuring that we have the PPE and other supplies we need. It's important to note that the vaccines work against the Delta variant. What I mean by work is that they prevent severe disease, prevent hospitalization, and prevent deaths. Our goals remain the same now as they did in March of 2020, to protect the health and safety of our patients and our teammates. These goals stay in the forefront of all of our discussions and decisions as we plan and prepare for the current COVID wave, and are reflected in our changing policies. Thank you again for caring for one another and for your dedication to our patients. You truly are one great team.